My definition of self-love means you have a relationship with yourself. So a lot of us don't realize that there's a relationship here between me and myself and my parts. So in this relationship, all my parts are included and valued. And I realize that I'm a whole that consists of many different parts. And so you have to kind of have an observer or a witness or a noticer activated in your personality in order to really hold all the parts. Now I want to just welcome you to The Art of Self-Love with Sarah Adams. I'm Susan Campbell, a relationship coach with 55 years experience, author of 12 books, and my website is susancampbell.com.